So I know I earlier made a video on Tonee Mine-to-earn app, right? I showed you how you can make money and also withdraw, right? I also said a lot of things about upgrade miner, purchasing a miner and all of that. Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to be making a review about this app because a lot of persons have been asking me questions such as, is this Tonee actually real or scam? All right, so I'm making this video to clear you on that. All right, so if this is your first time stopping by my channel, kindly leave a like to this video, give this video a thumbs up if you like this video, and subscribe to this channel. And for returning subscribers, thanks for coming back. All right, so on this channel, this is Web3 Classroom. I educate you on the right things and the right stuff to do to make the most out of the Web3 industry. Okay, so guys, let's dive right in. So as you can see on my screen right now, if this is your first time looking at this, right, you'll see that we have this has a lot of things to do with the Ton blockchain, right? Okay, so now when you get to check the upgrade miner here, the thing about this bot is they're asking you to invest, right? They're asking you to invest and they're going to be giving you profit every day for 30 days. But the thing is this really working and how legit is it? All right, they say here you can rent mining power for 30 days. The investment profitability is 4.87% per day and 146% for 30 days. So okay, for their core i5, they have a series of packages called i5, core i7, core i9, right? So the name is called i5, minting power 10 gigahash per second, renting period 30 days. The prices is here and the 30 days profit is already here. As you can see, 139%. So how reliable is all of these things, right? So you have to just connect your wallet and purchase it. So watch this video to the end to know if this is actually legit or a scam, if it is worth your time, if it is worth something you should do. Okay, so um let's go back to this place, right? So yeah, in their group, let me check this place where they wrote proof of payment. Let me check. Let me click on check now. I haven't joined this group yet, so they've been showing um people's purchase. I think this is people's purchase of I think this is people's purchase of the miner, the upgrade miner. I think these are the purchase of the upgrade miner. Okay, they said this place. They said payout successful, withdrawal, new successful withdrawal of Ton. Okay, let's go to their Twitter handle. Let me go check their Twitter handle to see if they actually right. Okay, this looks like their handle. Let me click on that to see. Tonee Mine-to-earn, right? Let me just click on that. Okay, they have 93,800 followers. Okay, so they joined since January 2022, and let me see. Their last post was June 23rd of June. Let's see what others are saying about them. Let's see what others are saying about them. Let's check the first comments here. Let's just click there and check. Let's see other people's comments and see what they are saying because okay, all right. Let's go to the other post and see what other people are saying about this. It appears as if these people have just one post. They have only posted just one thing on their Twitter handle. Just one post on their Twitter. They only retweeted the Ton blockchain post, and it's just one post on their Twitter. Right? Let's check what people are saying under the post because people will definitely say something related to this airdrop. Let's check what other people are saying. Okay, July 1. This one say, can you explain to the users how you are able to pay out these rewards? Where are you making any revenue? Okay, let's see. Let's see other people's comments. Okay, someone said, I bought a lot of miners, but suddenly it went to 0 gigahash per second and stopped working. It was returned to 1 gigahash per second, even though it had not been up to 30 days. I have evidence of past transactions, so please return to my original account immediately. Look, the person has just 1 gigahash per second. This screenshot is showing 0 gigahash per second. Let me see what someone replied under this. Okay, looks like it's the same person. Say, here is my account history. If you want more details, send me a DM. If it's just a glitch, please make an announcement like that. Okay, new successful turn withdrawal. Oh my god. Let's go back to the post and see other things, other people's comments. Okay, people are commenting awesome, good. Okay, I don't know the potential of this project though, but I'd advise that I would advise that you should not be putting your money in this project, because a lot of red flags are flying around this project. A lot of red flags. Do not invest your money. Okay? Just do the free stuff, refer your friends, invite them to join. That's it. Don't start putting in your money. This airdrop is supposed to be free. It's not supposed to be something you just put in money. Although there are still retroactive airdrops that actually promises and actually pays. Okay, so I read a comment under a YouTuber's video earlier, like a few days ago. I read a comment, and the person was saying that he he lost his money to this bot, right? That this bot is a scam, that he lost his money. And someone commented under my recent video about this, my previous video about it, that it's a scam, that he lost so much money to it. So I think you should take caution in investing in this project, because it doesn't seem to be real. Because if people are renting miner and not being able to withdraw, then there must be something fishy about it. Okay, unlike the Tronic spot, okay, the Tronic spot actually paid a lot of persons. It paid a lot of persons. So I'm gonna be leaving the link to watch to the video. I'm gonna be leaving the link to the video on Tronics in the description of this video, okay, so that you can watch and follow the steps to participate in that airdrop. That airdrop actually paid me a lot of money, paid me over 1,000 trons, right? So if you're looking out for something you're going to be participating in for free, guys, that is one video I recommend that you watch. Okay, if you're looking out for free updates that's going to be paying a lot of tons to your pocket, or some little box like maybe $10, $20, and up to even $100 to $1,000 for free, Web3 Classroom should be your go-to classroom. Henceforth, I'm going to be uploading videos every single day to keep you guys updated with the latest that you have to participate in. So if this video helped you in one way or the other, or if this video gave you eye-opener about Tonee Mine-to-earn app, kindly like this video so that other people will get to see this video. Alright, so they get to see this video and take caution on investing in this airdrop bot. So I'm gonna see you in the next video.